Some might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free.
Hey everyone, I'm Calvin with Southern Country Living.
And I'm Marie.
We hope everyone is doing great. Today is actually the day after my birthday, but we're having the dinner with our family today. And so Marie and I are fixing to drive out to Longhorns. It's on the other side of town, so it takes about 25 minutes to drive out there, don't it, Marie?
Yes.
And so y'all come go with us. We'll record a little bit while we're in there, and if it ends up being enough, we'll make a video out of it. If not, we'll just add it to the end of one of our other videos. But I really had a great day yesterday on my birthday, and I have really enjoyed today. We recorded and edited the Sunday chat this morning, and after that I started answering comments from where everyone wished me happy birthday. And gosh, I had so many. I spent over 2 hours replying to all the comments. So I just want to thank everyone for your comments and for wishing me a happy birthday. And definitely I've had a great birthday. I told Maria this is like a birthday week because I've been celebrating all week long, haven't I?
You have.
Okay, and as you can tell, I'm smiling big. I feel good. So y'all come go with us. I know what I'm going to order. I'm going to definitely get the hamburger steak out there at it's not called hamburger steak, is it? What do they call it? Chop steak. They call it chop steak with the onions and mushrooms, and I'm looking forward to it. And do you know already what you're going to be getting, Marie?
Basically, I do.
Okay. Y'all come go with us, and we'll see you when we get there.
We were young and we were free and running, never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling. We were young and drunk in love. A few years later I have started thinking, if it's just love in every glass I'm drinking, we're like one and without you I'm sinking. I'm always shining next to you.
Today we've been videoing all day.
That'll be a fun video.
I think Marie's going to get the chop steak.
Yeah.
And then she's also going to get the loaded baked potato.
And the strawberry pecan salad.
I'm just going to get chopped steak and the loaded baked potato. Marie, what are you having to drink?
Unsweetened tea. Make me a heart. Edison, make me a heart.
Battle of the cameras.
I did it one day. Maybe one day I'll.
You don't look like you enjoyed it that
One
much.
day I did it.
Can I see?
I'll upgrade that part.
Okay.
Yeah. Come here, get with us. Do you have it?
Marie, your strawberry salad sure does look good.
I know this is all I really needed to order.
Like that? Let me pull your chair back. We were right there at it. Oh, we saw it, yeah.
Yeah, a little spoon.
And donkey. That's what I love it. They could not have picked a better donkey. We'll just ask for some more. It's like a robot.
Is it good, Marie?
Are you sure?
So you know it's over.
My strawberry pecan salad is delicious.
Anyone can.
Thank you.
Yeah, let me get real quick. Oh, we good. Bring
Okay, I got the sandwich with some rice and then parmesan crusted.
Put it in the steak. Hey, I'm going to put a little bit of sauce right here, okay?
Okay, that's Marie's steak and baked
Is
potato.
yours done enough?
And this is mine. I forgot to get a picture, and I've already taken 2 or 3 bites off of it. But that baked potato is especially good today. Really enjoying this meal. And looks like most of the family got the same thing.
Yes, it's
But everybody's enjoying this
yes,
meal.
thank you.
Looks real good.
Thank you so much.
Sarah, would you like me to copy?
But we never fill up our cup too hot. I keep forgetting to do that, so I'm doing it right now. Yes, that would be great. Any cardboard or aluminum cans?
I love you.
Well, we can why couldn't you just use a sweater? I don't know. People are so weird about floors. You spend 10 minutes on it.
Can you hold it? Okay, thank you. Get one of me and him.
My dad's going now.
Okay.
Why don't you get there with them?
Did they give them?
Huh?
You can pay the cake down now if you need to. Mark it over there. I think I managed there.
Oh,
Well, I'll forget. Addie Krieger.
Okay, cute.
all right.
Okay.
Now just tomorrow if he wants to just.
Two old men out here. Oh, yeah, we gotta get Holly over here.
Yeah.
And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance
Oh, thank you, thank you.
I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Okay, everyone, I had a great birthday. The dinner we had this evening was just absolutely wonderful. All of our family was there except for Michael. He's the only one that couldn't make it today. And Michael did come by and see me yesterday, and he had some of Marie's cake with us yesterday. He enjoyed it, and he told me, he said, I hate it, Pops, I can't be there. But, you know, sometimes Michael has to do other things, so that's what's going on. But I sure was happy to have all my family there. The food, I had the chopped steak, and for some reason it just seemed like it tastes better than it ever has tasted before. And I thoroughly enjoyed it. The baked potato was good also. And Marie, your strawberry pecan salad looked great.
Oh, it was delicious. My whole meal it gets a 10 plus.
Yeah, I think the way they build us, my ticket only come to like 40 $1, I believe, and I gave a real good generous tip to the lady that was waiting on us. And when she was talking to me, it turned out that her husband's birthday was on August the 1st also. And so that was a surprise, but she was extremely nice. I didn't get her name. But anyway, we just stopped here next to the river. We're going to get out and just look at the river for just a few minutes before we head on home. But at the end of this video, I'll put a few of the pictures that were taken there while we was at the my birthday dinner. But I enjoyed it. I'm not too terribly tired, so that's a good thing.
Yes, our experience at Longhorn, it was really a good experience. Our waitresses at Longhorn, they did an excellent job.
They sure did. And I hope everyone enjoyed this video. I'm not sure what day I'll post it on, but I'll get it posted just as soon as I can. And y'all have a great day. And I want to thank every one of y'all for wishing me a happy birthday also. I really appreciate it. Like I've been telling everybody, this has been my birthday week.
Yes,
and they told me that Addison's been saying it's been her birthday month. So, but anyway, I had fun.
And yes, and Calvin thanks you for all of your cards, and he got quite a few of them, and we love the notes in them. So thank you so much for y'all's sweet comments, right, Calvin?
Amen. Amen. Okay, I'm gonna let Marie close it for me. She's my sweetheart. She's been with me for 54 years, and I hope she'll be with me for a few more.
I hope so too. Okay, so y'all do what you love and love what you do. And we'll see you on the next video, and y'all have a great day. Bye.
We were young and we were free and running, never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling. We were young and drunk in love. A few years later I have started thinking, if it's just love in every glass I'm drinking, we're like one and without you I'm sinking. I'm always shining next to you. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you.
I have always been afraid of changes, but you show me life is full of faces. Sometimes clouds got in our favorite places, but we were young and unaware.
Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing payment on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night.